My name's Keith Koeller, and I'm a mediator, arbitrator, and special master with JAMS. My professional background is that I've been an attorney for 42 years. My areas of emphasis in practicing law were construction-related matters, construction defect, traditional construction claims, personal injury and wrongful death cases, all types of real estate disputes, and insurance coverage disputes. I would say my mediation style is a combination of facilitative and evaluative. I like to think of myself as the bargaining coach, where I try to learn the case as well as the attorneys, and I use the information that I've received from reading briefs and pre-session calls and active listening during the mediation to coach them to a resolution. And along the way to that resolution, if I have to be evaluative, I'm willing to do that if I think it'll help facilitate a resolution of the case. My preparation for the mediation is I thoroughly review all the briefs and the exhibits. I'm a big believer in pre-session calls where I have calls with the lead attorneys for the key defendants. I use the information from the pre-session calls and from reading the briefs, and I develop what I call issue sheets where I identify the issues and both sides position on those issues so that I'm prepared to articulate those succinctly and convincingly during the mediation. I also prepare what I call pressure point sheets, which basically are reasons why each party should be interested in resolving the case based on what I know about the case. I think the key elements for preparation for an arbitration are that you put together an effective timeline for the case through your preliminary conferences and the subsequent status conferences, and then reviewing the briefs and the exhibits so that I'm educated as to the issues and prepared to listen to the testimony effectively and efficiently. I've been told that I have a personality that is also kind of conducive to people being candid, which is very helpful in terms of knowing what direction people will actually go. And then I'm very persistent. I don't like to take no for an answer, and if we don't get it resolved at the end of the day, I'll continue to follow up with parties, either with Zoom calls or telephone calls or whatever it takes to get everybody to yes.